Hi, today let's make super tasty ragi manni with a twist, that is with jackfruit. You need to make jackfruit puree by adding jackfruit to the blender. Now the puree is ready. Add it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now the next thing is ragi manni. How to make it? You need to soak ragi, the whole ragi overnight or for at least 8 hours. Now let's make the ragi milk by adding it to the blender, add water and blend it and keep aside. Now we need to strain it because it has those cover or the coverings of the ragi. So it needs to be sealed. So I've added a muslin cloth. Now I'm adding in coconut milk. If you want, you can blend coconut milk and ragi together and take out the milk like this, or you can add it separately. Now both the ragi and coconut milk is ready. Add it to a pot and switch on the gas and keep on stirring. Now for the sweetness of the ragi manni, the main thing here we are adding is jaggery. Add in jaggery and mix it really very well till the jaggery dissolves. Once the jaggery dissolves, I'm adding in some salt to taste, a pinch of salt. Keep on mixing. I'm adding in some cardamom powder and along with some jackfruit puree which we made previously. Give it a good mix. Now I like to add jackfruit pieces as well, because when we eat ragi manni, it gives a great, again, it enhances the taste of a ragi manni. I've added in pieces of jackfruit as well. Again, keep on stirring. Next I'll be adding in ghee. Ghee gives another great flavor to a ragi manni. It definitely pulls the flavor to another level, and it gives that glossiness finish to our ragi manni. Keep on stirring. Once you feel the ragi manni is bubbling up and it's come to that custard consistency, switch off the gas. Now grease any plate or bowl with ghee and add this transfer the ragi manni mixture to these pots. And it doesn't take long. 6 hours or 2-3 hours is enough. Just transfer it and tap the bowls just so that there are no air bubble once you add the ragi manni mixture like this. And I like to add a little bit of jackfruit puree on top as well. It's completely option, just so that it looks beautiful when you're serving it. Otherwise, if you're doing it upside down also, I'll show you how it looks. That's it. Your super simple, super easy ragi manni is ready to serve. See, if you want to serve it the other way around, you can do that as well. See, this is how it has been set. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description. Please do try this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy.